This video will talk about the Obsidian app, if it is still worth it or not. Obsidian is a Markdown-based note-taking app that works offline. You create and link notes with a brain map, perfect for deep thinkers, students, writers, and researchers. The graph view is a standout feature. As you can see here, it shows all your ideas connect visually. It's like turning your notes into a web of knowledge. So, Obsidian has a huge community with free plugins like task managers, calendars, and even AI tools. The best part is Obsidian is actually free use for personal use. You can pay for extra. Let's see its pricing right here. You can actually pay $4 USD for this offer right here. And I don't see, overpricing with their prices. So I really think Obsidian is still a top tier note app, especially if you like full control and privacy. And it's not for everyone, but if you're a serious take noter, it's totally worth it.